Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and have the form editor open. Now grab the public link. Click Send at the top right, then the link icon. This reveals the form's shareable URL. Once done, shorten the link if you prefer and click Copy. Make sure to check the link option is set for anyone with the link if you want public access. You're ready to paste this URL into a browser or share it where people can view and submit responses. Now verify the published form behaves as expected. Click the preview eye to see the live experience, then open the copied URL in an incognito or different account to confirm permissions. Make sure settings under the gear icon match your intent, require sign-in or allow anyone to respond, limit to one response or not, and toggle response edits. If formatting looks off, fix questions or sections in the editor and repeat preview until the live view matches your intended user experience. Finish by sharing the final URL and confirming responses arrive. Paste the link into email, chat, or embed it on a site. You can also generate a QR code for quick mobile access. Then submit a test response and check the Responses tab for timestamps and data. If recipients can't view the form, make sure the form's link setting allows anyone with the link or adjust domain restrictions and sign-in requirements. One key troubleshooting tip: test the link in an incognito window to isolate permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.